Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a wireless transmitter and receiver. So we're going to show you guys what it looks like. Let's go over a couple of the features. So let's see. It can transmit up to 33 feet. Frequency 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz. Built-in battery, which is a 200 mAh. 3.7 rechargeable lithium battery. Receiver working time up to 9 hours. Transmitting time up to 10 hours. Charging time around 2 hours. So let's get unboxing. Show you guys what you get. Alright, so check out this cool little device. That's nice. Very sleek, small, and stylish. So you have your charging cable port on the one side, power button on the other, plus and minus, and also TX and RX. Let's see what else you get. You get multiple cables, USB charging cable, the AUX cables, as well as a guide to let you know how it works. So make sure you check out your guide. So guys, overall, this will work great for wireless speakers, headset, and so forth. And to power it on, you just press and hold the side button and it will blink and it will enter pairing mode. And you would want to go ahead and make sure you connect everything, your cables, so one end would get connected. You would connect this cable and then connect this as well. It depends on what you're using it for. You know, they supply you with the cables that you need. So overall, nice, compact. It's a nice receiver and transmitter. So if you need a receiver and transmitter, this is definitely really nice.